I'm here in Father Ochi, but guys, I got good news. Yo, my gift just hit 6 million. And guess what? If it's this Saturday, May the 23rd in Ochi race at Ochi, me there now, you know. So me already there, already for the event, you know. What me say? Yeah, so the family fun day starts
12 noon to 6:30 p.m.
guess what? Showtime from 7:30 to 12 a.m. And I will be there, so make sure you come out in there numbers now because I am excited, bro. I'm just a winning a life, so. And those, you still have the chance to win over $150,000 for equipment, musical equipment from Bob Marley Museum, you know. And if you come out by 2 p.m., the first 150 patrons will win goodie bags by Excelsior Company, you know. By Excelsior. We are going now, we are going to party.
Purchase tickets on location for a chance to win day passes to Sandoz.